बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning upcycling or recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very unique and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. And if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care of yourself. Always be happy. These are super amazing and super unique denim jeans ideas. These are very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always remember me in your prayers. These are very unique and very stunning collection for you guys. Hope so you like these denim jeans craft ideas. So follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super amazing and super unique denim jeans craft ideas for you guys. Hope so you like this video. and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are out class and very beautiful collection for you guys. So must share this video with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.